Hi there, thanks for joining us. In this video, we have good news for visitors who are in Canada who've been impacted by COVID-19 related closures. You've been unable to return home. You've been unable to apply for a work permit here because the rules in Canada did not previously allow for that. Well, that has changed. And so we'll have much more on this after the break. As always, remember to hit the subscribe button and to check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. We'll be right back. Welcome back. My name is Donovan Francis and I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer, and I help skilled workers who are inside Canada and those who are outside Canada. I help them all to become Canadian permanent residents without having to deal with all of the complicated legal forms that are part of that process. Now, generally speaking, Canada's immigration laws do not allow visitors or tourists inside Canada to apply for work permits while they're here. And so if you visited Canada as a tourist, you came as a visitor, and you have, you've identified an employer who's willing to hire you, generally speaking, you have to return to your home country in order to finalize that work permit application. However, due to all of the issues and delays and border closures that have been brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of persons who originally came into Canada as visitors are not able to depart Canada right away. In addition, many Canadian employers are struggling with finding suitably qualified persons here at this particular point in time to fill positions that they have available. And so the government recently made amendments to the rules and are now allowing persons who are already in Canada and have legal status in Canada, meaning you're here, you're authorized to be here, your status has not expired, you are now able to apply for a work permit in Canada provided you have a valid job offer from a Canadian employer, and you no longer will be required to depart Canada and return before that work permit application can be finalized and eventually approved. Now, one of the requirements is that you must have been in Canada on or before August 24, 2020. So that's one of the requirements. Another of the requirements, as we indicated earlier, is that you must have a valid job offer from a Canadian employer. And by valid job offer, it means that that job offer has to be good for at least 1 year, and it has to be a job offer that is supported by a labor market impact assessment, an LMIA, or if it's one, if the type of job you're doing is one that does not require an LMIA, then it must meet one of the LMIA exemption codes. All right, but these are just some of the requirements that will have to be met in order for you to be eligible. But the good news is that if you're currently here as a visitor and you've identified an employer who's willing to hire you, you no longer are required to leave Canada in order to apply. And this will remain the case until the authorities determine that the situation has changed and therefore the policy needs to be amended. And so I hope you found this useful. And as always, remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. And remember to check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com.